Soprano opens, alto. Inhale, everybody big. Sing the dual. Good voice, up half. Careful, growth in the pitch. Down half. Down half. Now sit round, down half. Down half. Good. Good, 3-part chord. Alto. Sing the dual on that pitch and then move around the pitch with half steps. Very big breath. Boys down to half. Down to half, boys. Boys. Alto up half. Up half. Soprano down half. Up half. Good. Inhale. Up. Sing go. Sing chromatic scale. Good. Soprano, alto, baritone, 3 parts. 1, 2, go. Next we go. Good. This is an 8-count crescendo. Let's get some contrast here. Sing the dual. 8-count crescendo. Ready? 1, 2. 8-count big crescendo. Make it really big. Start big. 1, 2. Ready, set, go. Okay, we're gonna do some dynamics with poor bird and move the pitch. Start just mezzo forte. Poor bird. 1, 2, go.
Ah, poor bird, take thy flight, far above the sorrows of
Forte.
this sad
Let's go
night.
louder.
Ah, poor bird, take thy flight, far above the sorrows of this
Fortissimo.
sad
Even louder.
night. Ah, poor bird, take thy flight, far above the sorrows of
Ready?
this sad
Soprano, go.
night. Ah, poor bird,
Fortissimo.
take thy flight, take thy flight, take thy
Pianissimo.
flight,
Dynamic.
take
Big
thy
pitch.
sorrows of this sad night.
Forte. Forte. Ooh. Everybody, nice mouth. Okay, you guys are gonna work on a couple spots that are a little bit sketchy for us with pitch, real quick. So I'll make sure I got the right pitches a long way from home. A long way going into the 3 parts and that alto pitch, right? 1, 2, 3.
A long way from home.
5, 6, big and loud. Ready, go.
Sometimes I feel like I'm almost gone.
Don't they sound great? Okay, and then we'll do the end for that pitch at the end. Okay, so we find that. You gotta run 2. Yeah, and it's mainly for you, right? Where are you going out? Ready, everybody. 1, 2, go.
Where you gonna run to on that day?
Remember the key to that sforzando is hit it hard, back away a lot, and then go big until that does, right? You guys ready? Okay, let's do it. All right, parents, welcome so much to your 8th grade. This is your final year. For some of you, who's it final year? Like you've had kids and this is it. Okay, who's the first time 8th grade? First time singing 8th grade? No, you're all veterans. Okay, you're veterans. But you can probably sing the songs by now. All right, so we're gonna do 3, starting with Sia Humba. And I didn't mention this. Remember that separation that we did, right? And followed by Motherless Child with 2 soloists that include Natalie Graves and Savannah Spires. And then I'll do 2 announcements, and then we'll sing Sinner Man, which is our final one. All right. Here we go.
Sia hambe ku kanyen kwenkos, 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 sia hamba, hamba sia hamba, hamba sia hambe ku kanyen kwenkos, sia hamba, hamba sia hamba, hamba sia hambe ku kanyen kwenkos. We are marching in the light of God. 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 We are marching, marching, we are marching, marching, we are marching in the light of God. We are marching, marching, we are marching, marching, we are marching in the light of God. Sia hambe ku kanyen kwenkos, 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 sia hamba, hamba sia hamba, hamba sia hambe ku kanyen kwenkos, sia hamba, hamba sia hamba, hamba sia hambe ku kanyen kwenkos. We are marching in the light of God. 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 We are marching, marching, we are marching, marching, we are marching in the light of God. We are marching, marching, we are marching, marching, we are marching in the light of God.
Sometimes I feel like I'm a motherless child. Sometimes
apparently the device was busy and it just decided to stop playing the piano, but you guys handled it great.
That wasn't planned.
No, that was not planned. It was all supposed to have a compliment. All right, so you guys, thanks again for coming. We have one more to do for you. Musical auditions are next week. They're optional, as you guys know. Most of you are experienced here. It's important for them to do their best in that moment because we live with that moment for a long time when we watch and rewatch. Try to make decisions for the show as we cast around that talent that we got this year. As you know, they're supposed to bring an instrumental track and a contract. And most of you are aware that the callbacks are a long process. We're just trying to find the right stuff for the right people and the right voices for that year so that it looks like the little Broadway stars. That's what we want. Dance auditions will be separate on the 18th of October at 7:30 in the morning. Grade, most of you are aware of this, but please be checking that Infinite Campus. I always put little notes in there if we need a little checkup. And sometimes I'll say awesome positive things as well if they're doing great things. So just keep an eye on us so you can reward them when they need it and help them when they need that. Quizzes, tutoring, you know when they fail a quiz, we always give them 3 days to come in and tutor and raise that grade. Make sure they're completing Music Prodigy. Make sure they can get into Music Prodigy on their Chromebooks and Google Classroom as well. Holiday concert will be everybody, December 12th, 7 p.m. LGPE, best time they will ever sound. They sound great now to me, but they'll even sound better than if they're this here right now. I'm looking forward to what they do. March 9, 10, 11, if you can chaperone, you'll get to hear them live in that moment. It's really special. Musical review is 7, 8 of May. And that's the last one, and then they're off to high school. All right, so I know, right? Here we go with the final one, Centerman. Thanks so much for all of you coming. They do love you. 8th grade usually doesn't have this many. So thank you for coming and watching them on their final time. You guys can talk to them for a second if you want. We're going to have you exit that way, out that difficult to open door. We'll get it open for you so that we flow that way, but you can say hello, take your pictures, do your thing. And choir, just kind of stay put and let them come to you if they're there. All right? Good job. Very, 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 very good.